Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new customer on Hybrid Cloud via P2P. Now there will be a few items you will need before getting started that will make the process easier and quicker for you. The items you will need is the customer's email address, their Star for Life username and password, and the device name for your customer's recorder. Now, if your customer's recorder is listed under your business Star for Life account, that is okay. We will just need your company's Star for Life username and password and whatever you have your customer's recorder listed as under the device name. To get started, you will click on the Add button next to the customer sites. On this screen, you will then leave it as defaulted Alibi P2P and hit the blue Continue button. On this page, this is the information you will input to create the customer's account. You will start by inputting their email address. Next, enter in the company name. Now, if they don't have a company name, just go ahead and enter in their name or something that they would like to have. In the name box, you will enter in the primary name for the person, select whether they want monthly or annual billing, and enter in a sales order number. Now, if you don't have a sales order number available, that's all right. Go ahead and just enter in your quote number or invoice number, and it can be inputted later. You will also be required to enter in a job name and hit Next Step. On this screen, this is where the onboard process takes place. For your customer's account, you will give it a site name, and you can enter in whatever you would like. Enter in this username for Star for Life, the password, and the device name. Now, the device name is very specific and case sensitive, so you need to input it exactly how it is listed under the Star for Life account. The last thing you will need to do is select which time zone your customer is in. Once all of this information has been inputted correctly, you will then press the blue Submit button. You want to make sure that all three of these pieces of information are inputted. If they are not, then it's going to give you an error out message. From here, I can now select the cameras that I would like to add to back up to the Hybrid Cloud. And hit Submit. The last step you will need to do is hit this blue Deploy Site, and you are finished. That's how you add a brand new customer to Hybrid Cloud via P2P. Thank you for taking the time to watch today, and don't forget to check out our free YouTube channel for other videos.